In 2013, the government of Mozambique contracted loans with international banks, including Credit Suisse, to finance maritime development projects. However, without the approval of the Mozambican parliament or the international community, these loans were taken out in secret. Mozambique faced a major financial crisis and was unable to repay the loans when they were revealed in 2016. As a result, the lenders, including Credit Suisse, took Mozambique to court to recover the funds. This hidden debt was known as Tuna Bonds. The revelation of this debt triggered a currency collapse, defaults, and financial turmoil in the Southern African country, leading to a temporary halt in aid from donors such as the International Monetary Fund. The Mozambican government recently reached an out-of-court settlement with Credit Suisse. The agreement came a day before a 3-month civil trial began in London. As part of the agreement, Union Bank of Switzerland, which inherited a scandal when it acquired Credit Suisse, will give up part of the loan Credit Suisse made in 2013 to Pro Indicius, a Mozambican state-owned company, for less than $100 million. As a result of this out-of-court settlement, the parties have been able to resolve their dispute without the need of court proceedings. Details of the agreement have not been disclosed, but it is likely that Mozambique will be in agreement with the repayment of part of the debt.